Hey everyone, I've got an iPad, check me out, on loan, so thank you very much, Karen. And I've just found out from the Articulate Twitter feed that there is an application that allows you to view Flash on the iPad. So Karen very kindly installed it. It's called iSwifter, it's that one. So I'll start iSwifter. It's basically a browser, and it allows you to either play games or browse websites. In order to see articulated resources, let's go with browse websites. It comes with some built-in featured sites, and it's not free, it's £1.79. I've got some bookmarks. So basically it's like a normal browser, it's just a little bit slow because I'm imagining it's interpreting Flash code. So rendering is kind of okay. It's not as responsive as the normal browser. I'm just trying to use the normal pinch and maximize or minimize. So in terms of rendering, so-so, but it does the job. It's actually not bad considering, so I'm just being a bit unfair. So the first resource that I want to play is one that I did with my colleagues from the Center for Translation Studies. We're running off Wi-Fi, and this is the sound that you get. So it sounds a bit weird. So you can pause. It sounds a bit strange, as if you, I don't know, somewhere in a submarine. But it does play the resource. I'm just gonna move on. Again, it's quite slow to load. A slide of interest is slide number 3. So let's try and get to that one. So it's got the videos working, looking whether you can use the seek bar. You can't. That's interesting. We're on to slide number 4, which is an engage interaction, and it seems to have stopped for some reason. The wireless is not that bad. So let's see whether going back, oh there we go.
I've been working for 21 years and 20 days.
So minimize that, open something else.
The green weeks are what we call constituency weeks, and that's when most of the members are back home in their constituencies working there, and there are very few meetings here in Brussels. But we do all.
The menu scroll seems to be working well. So do the buttons.
Who are our members? We've got, at the moment, 736 members.
Okay, so the volume
of them are women,
behaves.
Depending on where you're from, isn't bad. If you were Swedish, that's not very good at all.
And now I've got a PowerPoint with some built-in hyperlinks. Just wanted to test those as well.
And do you find that exciting and motivating to be involved in these discussions?
No, absolutely. I mean, sometimes you really...
Well, that was odd. We heard something, but we didn't see anything move. And the slide doesn't look like it's advanced, and now it's frozen a little bit. Let's try another one.
My first day, a sweaty day. I was a bit stressed. Yeah, no, it was stressful, but I was in Luxembourg.
It looks like it recognized that quite well. The problem that I can see is that I had a navigation menu at the top here, which doesn't seem to appear. So that's interesting. So the bookmarks.
I've been working for 21 years and 20 days.
and that's interesting. It looks like if you slide down, that's a back button, and presumably if you slide up, that would be a forward button. Is that right? Yeah, we're on to slide 2, 3, 4. It's quite an interesting find. That I didn't expect it.
I've been working for 21 years.
So that's one resource.
I'm still counting. So, you know, quite a long time. But I started with French and German. I did my training in Bath in the UK, and then came here as a freelance. Worked as a freelance, then I got a temporary contract with the Parliament, then I did a competition with the Parliament. Always intending to think, well, in 6 months' time, I'll see.
Okay, I am trying to move on to another website just to show you an embedded webpage, but it seems that it's frozen a little bit. It says it's loading. And today would be quite nice, because I'm not going to do any editing, I'm afraid. So let's try going out, iSwifter. I want to browse a website. I want to go to the bookmarks, and I want to view that particular resource. Quite like the childish graphics, to be honest. There we go.
Welcome. You are about to take part in an adventure, and Dragos thought you would appreciate if you navigate.
Okay, I'll mute the sound. This is a dragster quiz. So what I found was you can't actually drag anything.
Welcome. You are about to take part in an adventure, and Dragos thought you would appreciate a few navigation.
It just seems that you can, it restarts if you do that.
Welcome. You are about to take part in an adventure, and Dragos thought you would appreciate a few navigation details. Place the characters on the right and the...
But otherwise... Okay, so it looks like it may have problems handling other Flash objects that you want to integrate into your articulate resource, but otherwise it seems that the hyperlinks in PowerPoint, the engage interactions are quite neat. Okay, that's it. Hope you found that useful. The name of the application is called iSwifter. I'm not sure if that's going to be visible simply because this camera doesn't have autofocus. Okay, take care.